In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can fix 0x8007001e Windows 11 update error. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator option on the right pane. In the elevated command prompt window, copy the S of C scan command which will be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy and then Control V and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. Okay, wait for the process to be 100% completed, and once this is completed, type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. The next method, go to the Windows search bar again, type CMD, click run as administrator option in the right pane. Then copy this DISM command which will be posted in the description box below. Control V and hit enter. So the process will begin. Just simply wait for the process to be 100% completed. If you're getting stuck at a certain percentage, just simply wait for that because that is depending on your Windows. So once this is done, just also type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then for the next method, click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system. Scroll down and click on troubleshoot. Click other troubleshooters. Here you can find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. To click the Run button corresponding to Windows Update to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. This will ask you for the issue and this will help you detect for the issue. And aside from that, just follow the on-screen instructions that it will give you. Follow the suggestions and recommendations. After running it, right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. If all else fails, you can consider a system restore. So go to the Windows search bar and type RestoreHealth. Click Run as Administrator option on the right pane. Then here, simply click on Choose a different restore point. Click Next. Then choose the time and date as to where you're not facing the issue. Again, choose the time and date as to where you're not facing the issue and click on Next. Click on Finish and wait for the process to be done. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.